How to fix WeChat unable to log in. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn some ways you can fix your unable to log in WeChat problem. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, head over to your Play Store app and search for WeChat. If you see update sign here at this page, tap on update. Head over to your settings app and scroll below to apps. Here at the top right corner, search for WeChat. Under usage, you will see storage. Tap open it, and from here, tap on clear data on your bottom left. Also be noted that if you delete this app's data, it will delete all of your account history and your databases. In case you would like to continue, simply tap on delete. Now as you do so, tap on force stop on your bottom right. Tap on OK. Now go ahead and restart your device. As you do so, then again restart your WeChat app. You will be required to re-log into your account. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.